In this video, I will be showing you how to remove the WhatsApp DP from the WhatsApp. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So all you have to do is to either have a WhatsApp on your mobile phone or your desktop. So on your desktop, you can use WhatsApp.web, or you can install WhatsApp application using the Microsoft Store. By doing that, you will be able to install the WhatsApp application. So once you have done that, simply go ahead and click on the profile icon. In the profile icon, you will see your profile. So simply go ahead and click on change profile DP, and here you will see remove photo option. Simply click on remove photo option and your DP will be removed. So this is how you guys can do it. So this is the process in order to do that. So you can follow the same process, same steps in order to delete or remove your DP from your mobile application. So this is it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel, hitting the bell icon, liking the video, sharing the video, and comment under the video so you guys can get the latest update on the channel. Take care. Bye bye.